How to use indicators. Indicators are elements of technical analysis used to forecast price movements and market trends. To add indicators to the chart, click on the icon at the top left of the trading interface and select an indicator. It will automatically be added to the chart. You can add any indicator to your favorites by clicking the star next to its name. To configure the indicator, click on the pen icon next to the indicator name. To remove an indicator from the chart, open the Indicators section, go to the Current tab, and click on the trash can icon next to the indicator. If you are enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe. An indicator can also be removed directly from the chart. To remove all indicators from the chart, go to the All tab and click on Delete All. Trade and earn with Pocket option.